Brady has a cult. They have a following. They're collecting sand for me. You have a cult. They are your disciples. All the seagulls followed her from where we were sitting before having chips, and as soon as she walked on the beach, they all flew over there. It's so funny. No fear. They're just like, hello, goddess. She's collecting sand and seagrass and seawater. And the seagulls are helping. I think that's so cool. Excuse my coughing. Hello. The cult. They are the goddess of the cult of the seagull. I love it so much.